Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Satish Chandra for UPSC. First, familiarize yourself with the book's structure and its alignment with the UPSC medieval Indian history syllabus. Pay close attention to the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire sections, as these are crucial. Identify the major political, social, and economic developments discussed. This foundational understanding will guide your entire study process, making it more efficient and targeted for exam success. For effective learning, read each chapter at least 2 times. During your initial read, highlight crucial dates, names, and significant events. The second reading should focus on understanding the broader context and interconnections. Simultaneously, create concise, point-wise notes. These notes, ideally 1/3 the length of the original text, will be invaluable for rapid revision closer to the examination, ensuring you retain key information. It is crucial to align your study of Satish Chandra directly with the UPSC medieval Indian history syllabus. After studying a topic, immediately attempt previous year's questions related to it. This practice helps you understand the examination pattern and the type of questions asked. Furthermore, dedicate time to practicing answer writing, aiming for well-structured responses within the word limits, which is essential for scoring well. Consistent revision is paramount for long-term retention. Schedule regular intervals, perhaps weekly or bi-weekly, to go over your prepared notes. Consider creating mind maps or flowcharts for complex topics, as visual aids significantly enhance memory recall. Engaging in discussions with peers about challenging concepts can also solidify your understanding and expose you to different perspectives, making your preparation more robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.